So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What is up, JJLEE squad? It is your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. As y'all saw the first one, just little update, stuff like that. But this video is a little quick unboxing in the first part. This is the second mod to the White Dragon, my 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack 392. Already took off the little staples, just came. I was gonna try to get them installed today, but as you know, UPS just brought it here by the 5:17. So, and the shop just said they can do it for me, close at 5:30. So tomorrow for sure, hopefully, because I do gotta work tomorrow. But here they go. I already took out like all the staples and stuff just to make this like a little quick first part unboxing of the second mod for the channel. Excuse the bed, I was relaxing, but hope y'all ready. Bro, I've been so hyped and waiting on these. Bro, y'all don't know, like, I ordered these mugs, let me see, when did I order them? Tuesday. I ordered them Tuesday, and they're here Thursday. 2-day shipping, bro. I only paid like $50 for shipping. So here we go. First flap. Oh, dang. Second flap. Third. And the fourth. Oh, shit. Look at all this. Oh, there y'all go. Y'all can see. If y'all know what that is, y'all know what that is. Okay? Okay. Y'all already know. Let's go ahead and set this over here on the laptop. A little order thing. Yeah. Modern Muscle Extreme. As y'all can already tell, bro. As y'all can already tell. Come on now. They done hooked your boy up. A sticker for the window, too. And did they send your boy a whole dang banner? What the mess? Sheesh. They sent me a whole banner. Where the freak I'm gonna put that? We'll take it off. Y'all can see, I have acquired Catless Midpipes by Modern Muscle Extreme and stainless steel for the Scatpack, bro. Then it will be truly straight pipe. No cats, no mufflers, no resonators. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm serious. Like I said before, y'all, come on now. I stay ready. 24/7. I stay ready, bro. And I told y'all, we're getting this done. There you go. I told you, we're doing this, y'all. Got all the tools we need. Got a little cap for that. We use the vibrants so that there will be no engine code on them. I saw in LMFAO that they use this one in the middle one for that. But I'll let the shop take care of that. But as y'all can see, sheesh. Sheesh. Bro, these things look sick. I like it. I like it, bro. Catless Midpipe is good. The tension, like I said, there's no welding required or nothing. Here's the clamps for it. Like, come on now, y'all. Just checking everything else. Pipes look great. Oh my goodness. I'm hyped. Y'all stay tuned, bro, because this thing gonna be sounding mean. This thing is gonna be sounding mean. But that was just a little quick unboxing. Like I said, Catless Midpipes for the Scatpack. So it's gonna be even louder. So like I said, I wanna be waking up people, fam. My neighbors already love me. They already dealt with the Orange Demon, so they can deal with the new White Dragon Scatpack. Okay. So there we go. Let y'all take a look again, close up. Welds. Look how clean that is, bro. Oh my God, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped, bro. This bitch about to be. Ooh. Bro, I'm gonna put this on the window. Just wait, man. Oh, bro. As y'all can see, I told y'all I ain't playing no games. I'm serious. This will be the coolest goddamn Scatpack ever. And I'm gonna make sure that's gonna happen. Okay. So go ahead and take another look. Catless Midpipes, fam. Stay tuned. Be ready, because I don't know if I'm gonna show them installing this something. I don't know how that shop does. But you will get sound clips. You will get flybys. And you will get revs and pops and crackles and ride-alongs. Okay? So stay tuned. I will catch y'all later. I'm going to continue to relax. And, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
You got heat shield and stuff that's rattling underneath there.
Okay.
I think we got to do a rev test, bro.
Sure.
Oh, you want the rev test?
Yeah, we got to do the rev test, bro. Me and you. It sounds good, though.
Dang, bro. Shout out to Moteg, bro.
It sounds good.
There you go.
I think we got to run it.
Dang, bro. This mug sounds nice. Ooh.
Put it neutral. Add it.
Yeah, go ahead.
You gotta get it?
Yeah. He the one went first. Let's go. Okay.
Sounds good,
Bro, I appreciate that right there. Bro, that's ridiculous. Shout out to Monte, bro. Jesus. They are installed. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. Sounds good. Open it. I like that. Give y'all a couple of revs real quick. Couple revs. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, what is up? What is up? The Catless Midpipes are installed. The heat shield is rattling a little bit, but I'm gonna get that fixed later. But it's, as y'all can hear, it sounds beautiful. And I'm so happy right now. So we're gonna, it's a little drive along video for y'all, you know. A little drive along. A little drive along video. Hope y'all ready. Oh Lord. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? This is ridiculous. This is freaking ridiculous. It is loud as hell, y'all. Jesus. You know, I'm not gonna show my speedometer until we in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? You gotta play smart in these streets. Y'all hear the pop sound? Go. quick install. Shout out to Motec Automotive. I will leave a link to their channel. Let's subscribe. Let's get them up, man. I appreciate you, Ray, and everybody else, man. Y'all hooked it up, got me in. Didn't take long. Did the install quick, man. He said I really didn't have to use the adapters to the O2 sensor, so I'm good right now. No codes. It's loud. It's like, you know, a little rattling on the heat shield, but we're gonna deal with that later. But this baby's bad. Let me go and put this phone down so I can fully activate the surfaces. Stop, bro. Stop. Stop. I can't control it. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Please don't draw any more attention to me. Please. No, man. But as y'all can see, man, it's loud. It's popping a whole bunch more. I'm satisfied. I'm happy. And yeah, just stay tuned and man up this video. Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, remember to subscribe to Motec Automotive Services and hook them up with subscribers. So stay tuned. We got a lot more in plan. So like I said, man, we got a lot more planned. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. But hope y'all like the little driving portion. I do got a GoPro coming. I do got a little extra stuff to help me better film. Cause you know, holding this phone, dropping it down like this, it's not too professional, but there you go. Hope y'all like that. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And just let me know when to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and subscribe because they get first look before YouTube. They get first look before YouTube. So stay tuned. I will catch y'all later and thank y'all for watching. Ooh. What is up, JJLEE Squad? It's just a quick little update with the, you know, I said during the video, the heat shield was rattling. It wasn't the heat shield. It was a clamp or a pipe rattling inside another pipe. So the clamps were kind of bad. So I went and got, dang, I put them in the car, but band clamps. So if you're going to put them Catless, either get new clamps or make sure the clamps are put on right. Clamps are kind of, I guess, bent or not closing right around the pipe. So I got new clamps. They're getting installed now, well, tomorrow. And I also installed the O2 sensor adapters by Vibrant. You know what I showed in the video. They came with the Catless Midpipes. I installed those on there because I say maybe about a day later the engine light came on. So I went under it, put those O2 adapters on, and then code went away. So that's a quick little, I just want to give y'all a quick little update because I don't leave out nothing. Whatever I'm going to do, whatever I've done, or whatever's going on, I will tell y'all what happened. So I just want to slide this up in there at the end. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. This car is loud. I'm getting new clamps put on tomorrow, so that should fix the little knocking that I'm hearing. But other than that, stay tuned, bro. If you were thinking about Catless Midpipes, watch this video again from the start and go get you some.